Hey everyone, welcome to Cook with Megha, and today you'll be learning how to make thin crust pizza without adding yeast. So please note down the ingredients to make this pizza from scratch. So first, to prepare the dough, we're going to add baking soda, some salt to the all-purpose flour, which is Maida, and we're going to mix it well. Now add the curd and knead this until it forms to a dough shape. And here you don't have to knead this for a long time like the regular pizza dough. Just knead this until it comes together and let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes. Now for the tomato sauce, I'm going to be adding strained tomato puree into a saucepan, and to this I will be adding some sugar, some Italian seasonings and some salt. We'll mix this well and I will let it simmer until the sauce thickens. Now we'll turn off the flame and we'll let this cool down. Now preheat your oven to 210 degrees Celsius or 410 degrees Fahrenheit. Now depending on how thick or thin you want your pizza to be, you can divide your dough into 3 or 4 parts. Like this. Now dust your work surface with some dry flour, and I will spread this dough ball by pressing and continuously turning the dough like this. Now with the help of rolling pin, I will roll this thick disc into 10-inch size thin disc, and you can make it smaller or bigger depending on your taste. Now with the help of a fork, I am going to prick all over the pizza base like this, and this is to prevent from getting the air bubbles. Now we'll place the pizza base into preheated oven for about 3 to 4 minutes. And you can see here, after about 3.5 minutes, the base has nicely puffed up. Now to this half-cooked pizza base, I'll be adding homemade tomato sauce, and I will spread it all across. And for toppings, you can basically add anything you want, your favorite toppings. I'm just adding some corn here, some onion slices. I will also be adding some pineapple because I have some pineapple at home. You can add black olives, tomatoes, basically whatever you want. I'm also adding some green pepper, and we'll top it off with some good quality mozzarella cheese. Now this is going into the preheated oven for about 12 to 15 minutes. And this is how easy it was to make homemade thin crust pizza without using yeast and with whatever toppings available at home. And you can even make this pizza using whole wheat flour. And if you don't have oven, you can also make it on a pan. All you need is just a lid to close on the pizza for the cheese to melt, and make sure you have it on the low flame. So make this pizza at home, and I'm sure your kids will love it as this is approved by my 3-year-old son. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do follow me on Instagram and tag me with all your pizza pictures because I'm going to share it in my story. And thanks for watching guys. I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye.